I'm Lukas Bauer. I'm from Germany. While visiting Kenya as a tourist to explore the safari parks and beaches, I came across DNA Labs Kenya and decided to take the HLA Typing Test out of curiosity. The test cost 16,000 shillings, and to my surprise, it was very quick and easy. The team was friendly, professional, and explained the importance of the results. For me, it was not just about health, but also about contributing to awareness of how valuable this information can be. Between sightseeing and activities, the process fits smoothly into my trip. I'd gladly recommend DNA Labs Kenya for anyone traveling who wants to take a meaningful step toward health.